Hello students, how are you? Okay, very good. Are you ready? Okay. Today we are going to discuss very interesting topic in organic chemistry, that is different organic reactions related to alkane, alkene, alkyne and benzene. We'll discuss the different chemical reactions related to alkane, alkene, alkyne and benzene. This is very much important for your examination and required practice. I hope this video will helpful for your coming examination. Okay, so let us start without wasting time. First reaction, that is CH3 CH2 CH3, that is called propane, reacts with chlorine in presence of light. What is the product? We know it is the free radical substitution. Here product will be always, it gives the stable product. Here the main product is your CH3 CHCl CH3. This is the main product. This is the major product. Because this carbocation, this free radical, it is not carbocation, this is free radical. This secondary free radicals is more stable. This is secondary free radical, this is more stable, that's why this is the major product. Okay, other products are minor. One, this is called 2-chloropropane, this is called 2-chloropropane, and other side products are 1-chloropropane. Then second question, methane plus nitric acid when heated, because alkane generally very inactive, they are inert, they are called paraffin, but in presence of concentrated nitric acid, methane heated, it produce substituted product, that is nitromethane. Main product plus water, this is side product. Okay, then second question, methane plus chlorine. Here methane plus chlorine, this is also takes place in presence of sunlight, that is light. The product is your, what are the substitution product? Different substituted product. One, first CH3 is Cl, then if two hydrogen substituted is produce CH2 Cl2. If three hydrogen substituted produce CHCl3. If 4 hydrogen substituted is equal Cl4. So 4 mixture of product produce chloromethane, this is called chloromethane, dichloromethane, trichloromethane and tetrachloromethane. Mixture of substituted haloalkanes are formed. So this method, it is very difficult to get pure compound. So mixture of mono, di, tri, tetra haloalkanes are formed. Okay, calcium carbide plus water when reacts, it produce calcium hydroxide and C2, that is your C2H2 is formed. C2H2 is acetylene. This is your acetylene is formed. That structure is CH triple bond CH is formed. This is very important preparation of only acetylene, that is ethine. Aluminium carbide when reacts with water, it will produce aluminium hydroxide along with methane gas. Is very important. This reaction also important for your examination, and here product is methane, is very important. Aluminium carbide reacts with water, produce methane gas. Okay, then next question is C6H14, this is called a hexane. Hexane when heated, it will undergo thermal cracking, it gives different product by the decomposition of hexane. your product is, that is maybe C6H12 plus what are the other products, it may be C5H10, it may be the product is C4H8, it may be C3H6, maybe C2H4, okay, maybe your methane and hydrogen also produce. Here with this, here other side product is your C, this is your alkene, this is your alkene, this is your alkene, that is hexene, pentene, butene, propene, ethene and methane. These are the different products, mixture products are formed. With these also alkane also produce, it produce also ethane, C2H6, it also produce propane, C3H8, it also produce butane, C4H, and also it produce different types of products, different types of alkane. Here main product is your alkane and alkene is formed. Lower alkane, result is alkane plus alkene will be formed. So this is called thermal decomposition or cracking. During heating, it convert to lower alkane and alkene. This is lower alkane is formed. If one product is alkane, then side product is your alkene, like this. So alkane and alkene, different types of alkane will be formed by the heating of hexane, strong heating. Then question number 7, that is this reaction is same hexane reacts when heated in presence of aluminum oxide or vanadium pentoxide or chromium oxide. It undergo dehydrogenation. It forms a cyclic product. Main product is cyclic product is cyclohexane is formed. Then when it is heated with platinum on heating, it produce benzene. So this is your cyclohexane and this is your benzene. Benzene will form. So this is called dehydrogenation in presence of aluminum oxide or vanadium pentoxide or chromium oxide. On heating, hexane produce cyclohexane and further heating produce benzene. Okay. Similarly, here hexane when treated with aluminum chloride and HCl in undergo isomerization, forming that CH3, CH2, CHCl, that is CH3. Here CH2, then CH3, because your total carbon is 6 plus what are the side product? Another side product is CH3, CH3, then CH2, CH2, then CH3. Here this is called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 3 methyl pentane is formed. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 2 methyl pentane is formed. So these are the isomeric product of hexane on when it is heated with, when it reacts with aluminum chloride and HCl, undergo isomerization, having same carbon atom but different structure is formed. Here that is reaction 9, ethene reacts with chlorine. Here it is undergo addition reaction. The product is CH2Cl, single bond CH2Cl. Okay, 1,2 dichloroethane, 1,2 dichloroethane will be formed. Okay, so you see the second one, CH3, CH, that is called propene, react with HBr. This is called Markovnikov's rule. This reaction is called Markovnikov's rule. Here, as per the Markovnikov's rule, the negative part attack to the carbon having less number of hydrogen. So product is CH3, CH, then Br, then CH3. This is the major product. Major. This is your major product. Here second one is CH2, double bond CH2, HOCl. Here also same. Here minus, here plus, here minus attack to one carbon and Cl plus attack to another carbon. This addition reaction CH2 OH single bond CH2 Cl. This type of substituted product is formed by addition reaction. Okay, then this one also it obey Markovnikov's rule because unsymmetrical alkene. This is unsymmetrical alkene, so product will be here minus and plus, here minus attack to the carbon having less number of hydrogen, so product is CH3 CHOH then CH2 Cl. So this product is formed. This is the addition product of, that is alkene, unsymmetric alkene. This is called propene, reacts with hypohalous acid. It is called hypochlorous acid. Hypochlorous acid, that is product is substituted hydroxy halo compound. Okay, then here it is oxidation reaction of ethene forming glycol. Here CH2OH single bond CH2OH. This is called glycol, ethylene glycol. This is called ethylene glycol. Then come to 14, CH2 double bond CH2 plus O3 in the first step. Then second step, that is zinc and water. If you add, always the product depends upon the addition of ozone. Here what happens, here O will be added, then here O will be added. So product is CH2O plus CH2O. This is called what? Methanol. Methanol is formed. Two methanol will form due to breaking up double bond. Here it is called ozonolysis. And first step is ozonide is formed. Ozonide when hydrolyzed forming here aldehyde. This is formaldehyde. Okay, and this step here again also in second step is zinc and water. Here product is same. Here O, here O. The result is CH3CHO plus CH2O. This is called acetaldehyde. First is called acetaldehyde, second is formaldehyde. So you will get aldehyde. Aldehyde or ketone is formed depends upon the structure of alkene taken. Here it is a hydrolysis of alkene, that is hydration of alkene. Here result is, here H and OH will be added, H plus and OH minus added. So here one step is CH3 and CH2OH. One side H, another side OH. So that result is alcohol. Alcohol will be formed. Here alcohol is ethanol. The result is ethanol. Here same, it is also hydration of alkene, but H and OH as positive and negative ions is here. So OH minus attack to them as per the Markovnikov's rule. So product is CH3, CH, OH and CH3. That is 2-propanol. 2-propanol is formed. 1, 2, 3. 2-propanol will be formed. So this is the addition reaction of propene in presence of water, acidic water. This is called also addition reaction which follow Markovnikov's rule. And this reaction, that is question number 18, this is called dehalogenation. produce ZnCl2, loss of chlorine, and result is alkene. This is called dehalogenation. Dehalogenation. Dehalogenation, loss of halogen. Two halogen removed by zinc and forming this is elimination reaction. Okay, then 19 is, that is also elimination reaction, that is this is called hydrohalogenation. Dehydrohalogenation means loss of hydrogen halogen. So result is CH2 double bond CH2 plus KCl plus water. Dehydrohalogenation, elimination reaction. And this is also dehydrohalogenation. Result is here, as is 2 halogen is here, so result will be twice elimination takes place. First elimination produce CH2 double bond CH2Cl, CH2 CHCl. First step is CH2Cl. Then second elimination, again alcoholic KOH, result is CH triple bond CH. First elimination, second elimination. First elimination result formation of double bond, and the third elimination results the formation of triple bond. So result is acetylene. Then 21, this is called addition reaction. Here result is, we can say HOH. The reaction takes place in presence of, this reaction takes place in presence of sulfuric acid and mercury sulfate. Here mercury ion acts as electrophile, so the product is, here what happens, twice HOH added. First is CH, OH will be here, then another OH will be added here, then CH3. So result, first step, here what happens, here loss of water molecule takes place from here, loss of water molecule, so result is CH3CHO, aldehyde. Result is aldehyde. But here this is propine, this is propine. Here propine, what happens, here middle carbon is having less number of, this is also Marconi, it follow the Marconi-Krebs rules. So middle carbon, what is the formula now, after addition, C, then OH, then OH, then CH3. When loses water molecule, the result is CH3CO CH3, that is ketone, acetone. The result is, so that is here the symmetrical results, that is aldehyde, but unsymmetrical results ketone, because the middle position carry OH minus, so result will be loss of water molecule, produce ketone. Then acetylene, when undergo polymerization in presence of a red hot iron, the result is benzene. This is product is benzene. Benzene will be formed. This is also very important reactions. Then similarly, propine undergo polymerization, forming same type of product, benzene derivative, as methyl group is here, 3 methyl group will be remain in the benzene ring. This is called 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is 1 2 3 trimethyl benzene. 1 2 3 trimethyl benzene will be formed as the what, polymerization product. as propyne undergo polymerization forming 1,2,3 trimethyl benzene. Then when phenol, this is called phenol, when phenol undergo, when heated in presence of zinc, result the loss of oxygen, forming it undergo reductions, forming zinc oxide and benzene. The main product, organic product is benzene. Okay. Then next is 26. When benzene reacts with chlorine and aluminum chloride, this reaction is electrophilic substitution reaction. Here electrophile is Cl plus. The product is, the main product is chlorobenzene. Main product is chlorobenzene is formed. Okay. Similarly, when benzene reacts with chloromethane and aluminum chloride, this reaction is called Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation, and the product is benzene with methyl chloride. Here methyl chloride, here the electrophile is methyl plus attack. So it is called toluene. This is called toluene is formed. This is called also Friedel-Crafts alkylation. And 28 question, that is called Friedel-Crafts acylation. Here your electrophile is CH3CO plus, produced from these two reactants. Result is what? Substitution of COCH3. This is called acetophenone. Acetophenone is formed. Okay. Then 29. Here what happens? Here benzene reacts with nitric acid, concentrated nitric acid. This is called nitration. Here mainly we can use NO2 plus formation. This is called nitrobenzene. Product is nitrobenzene will be formed as a substituted product. Then benzene with the sulfuric acid, that is called sulfonation. First one is called nitration. This is called sulfonation. And product is benzene sulfonic acid, SO3H. Here we can say it is SO3 as a electrophile, here NO2 acts as a electrophile. Okay. Then benzene reacts with chlorine in presence of light. Here what happens? Addition reaction takes place. Product is, here all three bonds breaks, produce benzene hexachloride. It is called benzene hexachloride. Benzene hexachloride is formed as a addition product, BSC, and this gamma isomer of BSC is called gammaxine. So this product. Then benzene, chlorine, aluminum chloride in the dark. The result is very important is here all double bond remain, substitution takes place in all 6 chlorine. This is reaction is very important, substitution reaction. This is called benzene hexachlorobenzene. This is called hexachlorobenzene. This is called hexachlorobenzene because the derivative of benzene. And first one is addition reaction. This is addition and this is substitution. This is the difference. One is addition, second one is substitution. So you see the difference here. Here what? There is no double bond. Here having double bond. This is the difference. Then benzene reacts with the ozone, oxidation of ozone in presence of ozone, and second step on hydrolysis. Product is, if you see the structure of benzene, this is the benzene, then ozone lysis, and second step, that is your zinc and water. The result is, here what happens, just very interesting breakage takes place. breakage is this position, this position. Here O, then O, then O. So here you see bond is there. So CHO, single bond, CHO. This is the first, then second, then third. So product is 3 molecule of CHO, that is glyoxal. This is called glyoxal. Glyoxal is formed. 3 molecule of CHO. Glyoxal is formed. Okay, this is the oxidation of benzene by ozone. This is called ozonolysis, forming glyoxal. Here only double bond breaks and the single bond remaining same. There is no breaking of single bond, only double bond side breaks. That's why 3 molecule of CH is formed. Just you see the breaking step. Then when acetylene reacts with tolerance, what is tolerance reagent? Tolerance reagent is silver nitrate with ammonium hydroxide. This is called tolerance reagent. Here result the formation of what? Salt of silver. Silver salt. This is called silver acetylides. Acetylide. And it is white color. It is white. Silver acetylides. Then with failing solution, what is failing solution? Copper sulfate and ammonium hydroxide. If it is used on warming, here product is same triple bond, here copper will be substituted. This is called copper acetylide. Copper acetylide. Copper acetylide is red color. This is red color. This is the very important reaction of acetylene, which is showing the two hydrogen of acetylene is acidic character, which results that substitution of metal. So metal is get substituted in acetylene, forming silver salt and forming copper salt. Forming copper salt, this the color of the salt is different. Silver salt is white and copper salt is red. Then 36 is when acetylene reacts sodium metal, it also with the substitution it produce sodium acetylides. This is called sodium disodium acetylide. This is also same salt of acetylene. Then 37 is very important, that is polymerization reaction. Polymerization and product is this is ethene and the result is polythene. Here during addition reaction double bond breaks, then reaction 2 or more ethylene combine to form polythene. This is called polythene. This is called polythene. It is a polymer. Okay, so this is about very some important reaction of alkane, alkene, alkyne and benzene. So you practice all the reactions, you practice, watch this video again and practice it. And if you like this video, you share this video to your friends. And another thing, if you have not subscribed the our channel Chemistry Goal, please subscribe it and share the video to your friends. Okay, thank you all.